Hello, it's How To Not To, and here I have a box from Numatic International. It is a pneumatic NRV200. So first of all, let's look at the energy label, which shows it as A rated for energy efficiency. It's a C rating for dust emissions, a E rating for dust pickup from hard floors, and E rating for dust pickup from carpets, which is I don't think it matters either way. So you've got the 1.9 meter hose, which is quite short. So we have the carpet and hard floor nozzle, which has a 2-foot pedal controls. It has a metal base plate which helps it glide on your carpet more easily. This is the aero brush, which is a high performance carpet tool to remove pet hairs from your carpet. You can buy them separately from Amazon for less than £50. So we've got aluminium bend handle with suction control, 2 aluminium extension tools, and you also get an adapter to use directly to the hose handle, a 65mm dusting brush for delicate surfaces, and a 32mm crevice tool. And finally, here is the Numatic NRV200-11 vacuum cleaner, which costs just over £100, which is quite cheap. And here we have the on-off button at the back of the vacuum, which is a single speed motor, and that's the power light. It has a handle on the top of the lid so that you can easily carry him around. So let's tip him over, where you can see 2 large wheels at the back, and he has 2 swivel wheels at the front, which helps him manoeuvre around easily. He has a bracket at the back, as you can see here, to park one of his tools or one of your favourite tools that you might use regularly. So also at the back you've got his exhaust, you've got his vent along there, and a very generous 12.5 metre retractable cable, which is quite good if you've got a large room. Just means you don't have to unplug him all the time at the socket. The Numatic has a cable and storage rewind system at the top, which keeps everything neat and tidy, which I like. To open the vacuum, just pull the clips on both sides of the machine to remove his lid. And this is where the motor is kept, which is a high efficiency motor at 260 watts and 230 voltage. So here is the filter, which you cannot wash. So if you don't have another vacuum to suck the dust off it, just take it outside and give it a good shake. Bags have rubber seals around there, and it's made out of strong material. So you can get a pack of 10 for under a tenner, which is pretty cheap. When the bag is full, you just clip the green flap here to close. The capacity of this bag is 9 litre. So just make sure the clips have been pushed back in before you lift it up. So I'm going to pop the hose onto the vacuum and demonstrate the airbrush turbo nozzle first. So I'm putting the rods together. And as you can see, it is very powerful. So let's give it a go on a piece of hair that I've found. And it picks it up with no problems, so it's a very powerful piece of machinery. It may look small, but it's got a lot of power. There are a few stains there, so it won't obviously remove those. I have bought a spray that I'm going to use later to try to lift those stains out of the carpet. So to open the nozzle, just unclip here to open and remove any hair that's got clogged up or whatever. And just clip it back. I'm going to throw down on my rug some washing up powder, as this shows up better on camera, and it's got very good suction. So I'm just going to do the same using the multi-purpose nozzle. So I'm just going to put that there. The metal plate helps it glide more easily over your carpet. I mean, you do have to go over it more than once to pick everything up. It does eventually pick everything up, as you can see. So I'm just going to drop some wheat grain on the mat here, and I'm going to use the carpet nozzle to remove the wheat. So I am now going to use the multi-purpose nozzle on hard floor. So here is the brush, and I'm going to pass it over the floor. As you can see, again, it's picking up nicely. I'm just going to show you quickly the crevice tool using the adapter head directly to the hose. So here is a demonstration of me using the soft brush which works fine on delicate surfaces like your TV, etc. So the Numatic NRV200-11 vacuum cleaner. So it's a tool for every job. So that is it for this video. I hope it's been useful. Please like and subscribe to my channel to see, and click on the notification button to see more upcoming videos that I have lined up. And I'll see you next time. Take care.